Hey guys, Mrs. Kaufman here. How are you doing? Okay, so today I want you to go ahead and answer these. Now it does say use the draw diagram strategy to solve. And if that helps you, I would like you to do that to help you out. But since there's no way to draw in Edpuzzle, it's fine if you choose another method to solve that. Just make sure you give me the right answer. How does measurement help you solve problems in everyday life? Today we're going to learn to find the effect dimensions have on perimeter and on area. Changing dimensions, the effect on perimeter. If the dimensions of a polygon are multiplied by x, then the perimeter of the polygon changes by a factor of x. The dimensions of figure A are multiplied by 2 to produce figure B. So the perimeter of figure A times 2 equals the perimeter of figure B, right? Because 8 times 2 is 16. And 3 times 2 is 6, and 3 times 2 is 6, and 2 times 2 is 4. So the effect on area then, if the dimensions of a polygon are multiplied by x, then the area of the polygon changes by x times x, or x squared. So 5 times 5, 4, 10, 8. So the dimensions of figure A are multiplied by 2 to produce figure B. The area of figure A is 20 times 2 squared will equal the area of figure B, which is 80, okay? And 2 squared is 4, right? 20 times 4 is 80. Do you see that? I hope so. Suppose the side lengths of the parallelogram at the right are tripled. What effect would this have on the perimeter? Justify your answer. Okay, the dimensions are 3 times greater. Okay, so that means we need to multiply each of the dimensions times 3, 12 and 9, right? Because 4 times 3 is 12 and 3 times 3 is 9. The original perimeter is 14 inches. So do you remember how you get the perimeter? Okay, you add all 4 sides together. The new perimeter then will add all 4 sides together. So we would get 42 inches. In this case we did 12 times 2 and 9 times 2, right? Because we have 2 12-inch sides and 2 9-inch sides. Okay. So we're going to compare. 42 inches divided by 14 inches equals 3. Now where did those numbers come from? So I took the new perimeter and I divided it by the old perimeter and I got the answer of 3. And I had originally multiplied it by 3, so it checks out. The perimeter is 3 times the perimeter of the original figure. Okay. The side lengths of the triangle at the right are multiplied by 5. What effect does this have on the area? Remember the difference between area and perimeter, okay? The dimensions are 5 times greater. So you multiply each side times 5. The original area was 1/2 times the base times the height, so it was 1 centimeter squared. Okay, the new area is 1/2 times 10 times 5, which is 25 centimeters squared. Okay, because 10 times 5 is 50, and that half of that is 25, or you could do 1/2 times 10 is 5, and 5 times 5 is 25 centimeters squared. Now we've got to compare the areas. 25 centimeters squared divided by 1 centimeter squared equals 25, or 5 squared. So the area is 5 squared, or 25 times the area of the original figure. I think on this one, it's kind of just hard to remember which one is perimeter and which one is area. So kind of really pay attention closely to your understanding of those two different things. A stop sign is in the shape of a regular octagon. Sign A, shown at the right, has an area of 309 square inches. What is the area of sign B? Since 8 times 1.5 equals 12, the area of sign B is 1.5 squared times the area of sign A. What? Okay, I'm totally lost. Where's the 8 coming from? Where's the 1.5 coming from? I only know 12? Okay, so what I know is this. I know the area of the sign is 12. I also know there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sides to an octagon. Right, and I kind of know that because I kind of know that octa stands for 8, because like an octopus has 8 legs and blah, blah, blah. So, just a great connection for you. Anyhow, so I took the number 12 and I divided it by 8 and I got 1.5. So 309 times 1.5 squared equals 309 times 2 and 25 hundredths, which is 695 and 25 hundredths. How many of you caught what I did wrong in my thinking? So it's not the number of sides, is it? Where does the 8 come from, and why did I divide it by 8? How does measurement help you solve problems in everyday life? Sorry, I didn't mean to create a situation where you didn't understand how to solve that. So if you need further help understanding the stop sign question, let me know. A triangle has a base of 5 inches and a height of 12 inches. If the side lengths of the triangle are multiplied by 4, what effect will this have on the area of the figure? Okay guys, I hope you get this lesson. This one seems a little bit trickier than the others, so I hope this one's making sense to you. Anyway, have a good afternoon and I will see you next time.